Hello students, so here we are with the question 5th of the exercise 3.2 of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. So the question 5th is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. That is, we need to find the value for the length and the width of the rectangular garden. So for this problem, let width of rectangular garden be x meter. Okay. And also we let length of rectangular garden be y meter. And as the statement says, length is 4 meter more than its width. What it means is that if I subtract the value of length with the value of width of rectangular garden, then the number which I'll be obtaining will be definitely 4. That is by which number the length is greater than the width. So here y minus x comes out to be equal to 4. Or I can write it as minus x plus y is equals to 4. Let me mark this to be first equation. And also it's been given half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. And as we know, perimeter of rectangle is 2 into x plus y. That is 2 into length plus width. And it's been given in the question that half the perimeter means we need to divide the perimeter of rectangular garden by 2, which will be equal to half the perimeter of the rectangular garden, which comes out to be equal to x plus y. So, x plus y is equals to 36 according to this statement. Let me mark this equation second. So, we have obtained two equations for this very problem. So, in order to get the value for the variable x and y, we can solve this by either elimination or substitution method. Let me use the elimination method where I'll be adding the first and the second equation. So, on adding first and second equation, I'll be getting 2y is equals to 40. From here, y comes out to be equal to 20. That is, the length of the rectangular garden is 20 meter. Now, in order to get the value for the width of the rectangular garden, substitute this value of y either in first or second equation. Let me substitute this in, say, second equation. So, x will be equal to 36 minus y, which is equals to 36 minus 20 is equals to 16. So, the width of the rectangular garden is 16 meter. If we clearly observe the values for x and y, their difference comes out to be equal to 4, which was said in question itself, and also their product or their sum comes out to be equal to 36. That is half the perimeter of the rectangular garden, that is x plus y is equal to 36 meter. So this is the correct value for width as well as for the length of the rectangular garden. So I hope this is clear to all of you.